Assalamu alaikum everyone, myself Ahmed Raza and I will be presenting you the demo of RFIP, which is satellite based crop yield predictor. We have named our project as agro.io. So right in the screen you can see our first screen, which is onboarding screen. We have different sign-in options. We are providing a Google authentication, Apple login as well, and you can even sign up on our web app and then log in with your email and password credentials. So we move to the login screen. You can see I've already created my user. So the already preset user can be seen on the screen. However, I do also have a sign up page as well, which looks like this. We're asking for some basic details of first name, last name, email, and the password. We just log in and we move to the dashboard. So this is what dashboard is going to look like. On the dashboard we have four major features for now. The one feature, the major one, you can see it right on the screen. This is basically where the main prediction and everything happens. This is our main dashboard, and then we have three other options, which is basically making notes, a chatbot, and to see the weather. So let's discover and explore more the major feature, which is basically creating the field. So what we can do is we can actually create a field anywhere on the map. uh, Here I have the map narrowed to Pakistan because right now we are just focusing on Pakistan. So you can see that. So I click on the plus screen, I write it here, the field name. So now all I have to do is I have to click on this icon to create a polygon on the screen, and this is how the farmer indicates that this is what my farm. Basically, the user indicates that this is what my farm looks like, and he clicks on the enter, and he can see all the details. So this is entire thing about the Ahmed field area location and coordinates. So the next step is confirming the field, and when you confirm the field, you get the forecast. But that process takes a little time. So just to save up time, I have already made the field, as you can see. So we'll just discover one of the already created field. Right now, you can see one of my previous field which I made again with my name, and this field particular shows me that the very first thing is the status, which shows the 24-hour forecast on my field, and which basically maps on the current date. It shows May 28th. At the same time, we can see accumulated precipitation on my field as well. So this is the data of last 10 years, and as you last 10 sorry this is the data of last 1 year, and you can see it's a start from Feb, April, June, August, and October and December. And moving forward, we move to the field details, which is another important option and the feature we provide. The field detail basically provides you with everything about the field, the name of the field, the area, the field ID, when it was created, the location info, the coordinates, and the most important thing is the yield prediction. That how much yield is being predicted here. So this yield prediction has been gotten by an entire different procedure, which we have already discussed before. So moving forward to our third feature, which is yield analysis, and here we can see with the help of the yield analysis, what it does is recommend a crop based on the yield prediction. So here we have two major crops. One is rice and the other is maize. So whatever is the best one out of two, it recommends one. And the profitability, the PKR20 basically shows what profit it makes on the current market, and the confidence level, how high confidence level goes up to high, low, and medium. That how good it could be to get this maize on the field. Other than this, we can see detailed yield analysis. As you can see here, other than my particular field, Ahmed's field, we have more fields to explore. We have Mudassir's field as well, where we can see since the yield prediction for the rice was better one compared to maize, so it right away shows and recommend as the rice. Profitability, again, it varies by the market value. Confidence levels is again low, but we have a detailed yield analysis which actually helps the user to understand why the rise and how better the rise is. So this is how it basically recommends you one of the key crop that should be grown on the particular field you have marked. Other than this major feature, we have three more features. The one is basically drawing notes on a map. This is again a very basic feature, but the whole point of this particular feature is that, as you can see right on the screen, that you get the entire map. So if a user has to make a map, has to make a pointer or a note on the map so that he doesn't forget something and he wants to mark on something, he can do that by just simply click on another location, mark the field, writing the command, and there you go, you have marked your note on the field. So this actually helps the user to mark a note anywhere on the field. Other than this, we have also gotten a chatbot on our web app as well. This chatbot is just particularly facilitate the agriculture related query only. So if you ask anything other than agriculture, it won't be responding you right. It won't be responding you in fact anything, and it will be sorry about anything else you ask. So all you have to ask is something related to the agriculture. So we ask about the irrigation. um, so it helps us with whatever we ask something related to agriculture, we get a response back to that. And other than this, we have one more feature which is basically telling us the weather forecast of our current location. So this is again an essential one for the user to know. So this is actually one place where user can know everything regarding his field, and everything regarding the agriculture sector. And this is all about agro.io. Thank you so much.